Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today please join me in cooking stir-fry squid with tofu. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have green onions, red onions, tofu, ginger, red and green bell pepper, bochoy, oyster sauce, sesame oil, soy sauce, olive oil, fish sauce, garlic, sugar, cornstarch, white wine, and of course our squid here, which we sliced already and cleaned it, and we put slices already on this, and we're gonna blanch it with hot water for a few seconds. This recipe is you can cook this in just 2 minutes. Over 2 minutes, this will be the meat of this squid will be tough. So max is only 2 minutes. So let's get started. Now we have a boiling water here already, and we put some ginger just to give a better smell, or the bad smell of this will eradicate the bad smell of squid. So we're gonna put everything in. So we'll just cook this or blanch this for 10 to 15 seconds. And then we're gonna wash this with cold water. After 15 seconds, look at this. See? And then we're gonna wash this with cold water. Now we will make the sauce. Okay. We'll put 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Okay. That's it. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just a little of sesame oil. Let's put 2 tablespoons of wine, white wine. Tablespoon of sugar. And a teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, and we'll put 3 tablespoons of water. Okay, and then we'll stir this. Give it a stir. Okay. Now let's put some olive oil. Okay. We'll put our ginger. our garlic. Give it a stir. Put our onions. Let's put our green onions. Give it a stir. Put our green and red bell pepper. Put the green onions. Alright. Now this is the time to put our squid. Our squid in. Okay. So we'll cook this for another minute only. Okay. Put our tofu. Okay. And then we can put now our sauce. Alright. And then we'll give this a good stir again. And in 30 seconds, this will be done. Alright. Okay, the last vegetables is our bochoy. We have 20 more seconds to go. Wow, real good. Smells real good. Wow. This is done. We're gonna put this into our serving dish. Here is the finished product. Stir fry squid with tofu. Please share this recipe and go to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day.